And I'll tell you the meaning of reviving. I am not reforming. I want all of you to know I am not reforming. I am only reviving. Whatever is in the scripture, is in the tradition, I am just reviving and making it user-friendly for everyone in the modern day. That's it. I'll tell you the definition of a reviver. Reviver is the person who stands with responsibility boldly and declares, if you come along with me, come with me along with you. If not, alone. If you oppose, in spite of you, I'll make it happen. If you want to be part, come along with me. If not, I'll do it on my own. If you oppose, in spite of you, I'll make it happen. This courage, will, persistence, responsibility, hard work. Hard work has no replacement. Still, no replacement is found on the planet Earth for hard work. Sincerely, sitting and I'll go on review, what happened to this, what happened to this, what happened to this, what happened to this. My head is like a automatic reviewing machine. Everything put inside, there will be there's automatic Google alarm. Every day it will just start. Sincere, intense hard work. That's all. That's all is the definition of reviver. Revival of Hinduism is happening now, but that does not mean it started now. No, it is there for thousands of years. Understand, all this is an amazing opportunity. Chemistry of this pandemic, Pralaya, provides an opportunity for you to go through the alchemistry of enlightenment. Many things which you need to be unclutched will be now forcibly unclutched from you. Only thing, you should not become violent, angry, depressed about it. Understand? Every day, just like you breathe, what is available in the form of air, eat what is available in the form of food, you consume the ecosystem which is available in the form of thoughts, emotions, actions and reactions. You cannot stop its influence over you. How much ever you think you are intelligent, you can stop the negative news inside you, reaching to you. No, you can't. Only thing you can do is your inner space can be purified with unclutching, so the negative news doesn't influence